In order to back up your WhatsApp messages, just launch your WhatsApp. Then tap on those three dots on your top right corner. Then settings. Then scroll down. Then tap on chats. Then scroll down. Then at the bottom there, tap on chat backup. Then before you click on backup, first of all you need to choose the Google account that you want to back up your chats to. So just tap on Google account. Then you need to select the Google account that you want your chats to be backed up to. And if you do not have your Google account here, you just need to tap on add account. Now once you've selected that, you need to come now to automatic backups. Now you need to select how frequent you want your backups to occur. So you can select this according to your preference. So I'm going to leave it that way. Then once you've done that, you need to include videos. If you want your videos to be included in your backups, you just need to open that button and your videos will be included in your backup. So once you've done that, you just need to come at the top here and then tap on backup. Then as you can see, your chats and your messages and your media are being backed up. As you can see, the backup is still continuing. Now to recover your WhatsApp messages, just tap on agree and continue. Enter your phone number, then tap on next. Then tap on continue. Then you can tap on verify another way. Then you can choose receive SMS. Then tap on continue, or you can choose any option that you prefer. But for me, I'm going to use receive SMS. Then continue. Then ensure that your phone number is on so that you may be able to receive the SMS and the code. So as you can see, it has automatically detected. So the code has been sent. Then you need to tap on continue. Then allow. Then allow. Then as you can see, looking for backups. So we are going to restore the chats backup that we had backed up earlier. So as you can see, this is the email that we used to back up our chats and our media. So you just need to tap on restore. Then as you can see, the chats and the media are being restored. So that's how you can simply back up and recover your chats and your WhatsApp messages. If you found this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.